Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this inline transmission filter on your Chevy Equinox if you have a 2010 through 2017 with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder Ecotec engine. So here we have the filter itself. I'll put a link in the description where you can get one. And we're going to be using a couple hose clamps to hold it into place and a ratchet. And you can either use a knife or a hose cutter, that's up to you. So we're just going to show you where we're going to be installing it, and then we'll get you a better angle. All right, so I'll do my best to stay out of the way of the camera, but this is a very tight space. So if we look at our battery right there, we go down underneath it. Those are our two cooling lines right there. So we're going to be installing it on that line right there. And if you look at the filter that you get, there is a direction of flow. So we want that direction of flow going towards the cabin of the vehicle. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut that line. We're going to show you how it's done. All right, so we're just going to reach in there and clip our line. All right, so I had to cut the camera just for the angle there, but if you look right there, that is the hose. We just cut it. So we're going to slide some clamps onto it. All right, so I do apologize for not getting all the action on camera, but it is a very tight space. There is the finished product right there. We have our clamps on the hose there. So we're just going to drive it locally, nice and slow for a little while, let it warm up. And then we're going to go back and retighten the clamps just to make sure there's no leaks and inspect it before we go on the highway. So another note to make, the inner diameter of the hose is 3/8. So when you buy your filter, make sure you get a 3/8 fitting on the filter. And again, I'll put a link in the description. This will help with the fact that there is no accessible filter for any DIY work. So we can remove that, and I will be doing a future video of what is on the inside. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully you found this helpful. And as always, please don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, so I know we wrapped things up here already, but I just wanted to come back and say there are no leaks, but we're still gonna retighten everything. And another couple notes to make sure you have a bucket underneath when you do originally cut the line. We had one under there, but we did not have any fluid come out. However, you may have fluid come out of your hose. It all depends. And another thing, make sure you have a jug of transmission fluid to top up if you do have any fluid come out, and it would be a good time to check your fluid level as well while you're at it. All right, that's all there is to it, folks. Thanks again.